everyone, welcome back to another video here at Mix and Madness. Today I'm making some jewelry that I wanted to create for Easter, and I got it done before Easter. Now I'm getting the video done, but anyways, it is a watercolor slash terrazzo clay technique. I believe that's how you say it. I wanted to incorporate both techniques because I do love the watercolor look, but I just wanted to try out adding textures to everything. Now here I didn't like the color that I had, so I added more yellow, and then I added some pearl. Basically all I did with all of these colors is I added pearl and white to them to make them pastel. I don't think I added pearl to every single one of the little colors. I think it was just white. Some of them already had pearl in them though. I was going to chop everything up and add it to the colors to make my pastels, but then I was like, I wanted to have even amounts of every color somewhat, so I went ahead and just rolled it out, and then I found a cutter that I could get about, I think it was 6. I don't even remember. Anyways, no, this one was just the round circles. I'm on another video. I don't know if it's going to show up very well on here, but it's a orange color. I tried to make it more orange than yellow, but not too orange. I don't know. Anyways, I thought it was going to be close to the yellow color of the background, but it worked out. I was planning to have gaps to where you could see the yellow background, but then as I was laying it down, I didn't want the gaps. So it's just a process that you have to go through yourself and decide what you like at the moment. There is no rules to this. There's no right or wrong way. I mean, just go for whatever you want. Things change, plans change. Nothing ever goes the way I plan it to. So once I have all of my colors mixed, I take and roll them out. Let's see. I think I did the next to last thinnest setting on my machine. I didn't want to do black and white behind them, so I grabbed some silver, lightened it up with pearl, and used that instead. I should have probably used 2 backing colors, but I just did the silver, and I was fine with the way it turned out. When you do the watercolor, typically you do 2 different colors for the backings. roll it smooth, or smooth it out with your roller, whatever you have. I didn't put it through the pasta machine because I didn't want to stretch my design at all. That's totally up to you. This is just the way that I did it. And I was going to do some larger pendants. That's what I wanted to do, or that's what I was thinking of doing. And then I just grabbed this that my kids had, cut out the shapes, and assembled them after they had baked. And I didn't realize this when I was making the initial pieces that you're seeing here, but I didn't have any solid colored pieces, so I just took some more of the clay, as you see here, and created some solid colored pieces by doing the same technique with just using whatever tools I have to make the texture that I liked. This was one of the hardest parts, is putting together the pieces how you want. That you have so many options, it's really hard. It's hard for me to decide what I want to go with what, or what looks best. The plan here is to coat your pieces in the polyacrylic before you assemble them. I had completely forgot to do that, so I actually had to do 2 earrings afterwards with polyacrylic, but do that step before you do this. And here I'm just finishing them up, putting the ear hooks on, and I'm happy with them. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and maybe you learned something, maybe you didn't, maybe it inspired you. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. If you have any suggestions, leave them down in the comments for me, and I would love to hear what y'all think. Bye!